Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. Okay. It's a surprise video. Yes, okay. Woo! I literally just got this in the mail. I got my Boxycharm in the mail on Choice Day. By the way, the choices for the base box next month is looking very thin. I thought that the Wander Beauty would have different shades. It only has one shade, Bare Nude. And I know that works on many different skin tones, but I already had a cream product, the Alley Oop. I don't need another one. Okay. That works for me. That's okay. That's it. So, of course, the only other option was the Avant Skin Care item where you could do an eye cream and a face. But to be honest, I already got moisturizers and eye creams on deck. That's just gonna go in the vault and I'll test it out like later on in the year. Or maybe it will last until next year. We don't know, because I'm literally just getting through my Murad sunscreen one. That's for the summer, straight up. And then I still have my Marc Jacobs. Then I have my Tatcha that I rebought. Then I have so many. I need a break. I need a break. Okay, I need a break. Anyways, Boxycharm retails for $27.99 a month. You get 5 full-size items, guaranteed to be over $125 worth of value. But with the tax, it retails for $30 and some change. Basically, $30.50. Like, let's put that change to 50. But yeah, after taxes, it's basically $30. It used to be 21 with no tax, no shipping and handling fees, no nothing. Just 21. I miss those days. Anyways, let's see what we got. I already know one item because obviously it's choice and you pick your item. Okay, there was a bronzer that worked for me, but the blush and the highlight was just no. Blush was in the pink category, which I don't like. Only one pinky blush that I like, and that's from Koki. And then the freaking highlight was really gold. And I already have so many highlights in palettes that are like gold, bronzy, that type. I don't want that. So the other one was the one that would be lighter. It looked more neutral, but I saw on people's stuff that it looked red. So we're gonna find that out today. Anyways, ooh, I like the card. It's like a coffee moment with cream. The theme is dusk till dawn. So really cute. Okay, my variation C22, that's 2022. 08, that's August. 029, so my variation is 29. Okay, I got variation 29 basically. So let's go with the first item, which is my choice item. This is OPV Beauty Glow Perfect Face Palette. As part of a new Glow Perfect collection, this multi-purpose face palette contains a magical trio of highlighter, bronzer, and blush. Retails for $34. New launch. Alright, we're getting new launches. It launched last month because I saw it launch last month because I follow OPV Beauty. I saw it. It's in plastic. I saw it launch. That's how I could pick my shade when choice came up last month, because it was there. I'm really trying to open this really fast, but it's not letting me. Oh, there we go. Like a candy bar. Okay, that one on the floor. Which side? I'm gonna go this side. I don't want to mess things up. Do you not love that it just comes saran wrap? Like, this is like really crazy packaging. This is shade 1. Alright, it doesn't want to open for me. Hold on. Oh. Yeah, this bronzer is definitely not going to work for me. I mean, I could always mix it with the orange blush to make a blush. That's probably what I'm going to do. I mean, I could try it as a bronzer. It could be darker when you swatch it. Like, it could be darker because some products are like that, or it could be that shade and it would be a blush. Oh, but that highlight is looking amazing. That highlight is looking amazing. That's the highlight I wanted. So I'm happy. I'm happy with the blush shade because I love orangey neutral tone blushes. That's the one thing I love. I'm already getting fingerprints on this. Yeah. It's like in a rose gold reflecting packaging, which is cute. Yeah, so $34. I will test it out on the first impressions. Stay tuned. Probably will be next month, but stay tuned. The next product is, ooh, I got a brow gel. It's from Persona Cosmetics. Listen, I like Persona Cosmetics lip gloss. I use that up like crazy. I like their eyeshadow palette. My palette broke, so it's gone. So I'm glad to get another thing from Persona. This is their brow gel in the shade brown. This is brown, but I know this brow gel, I don't know if it works, but I saw it on Ulta when it popped up on Ulta, and it's either cool brown or warm brown, but it's looking like a cool brown, which will work for my brows. So I am not mad at this. I will be testing this out in a future first impressions. This is Persona Cosmetics Swipe Up Brow Gel. Swipe Up Tinted Brow Gel is a clean, ultra comfy, lightweight, waterproof brow gel that tints, shapes, and sets brows in one swipe. Flexible medium hold for all comfortable all day wear. Never stiff or crunchy. $19. Ooh! I would pay for this. If it's really that good, I would pay for that. So this boxes is going great. Alright, next thing we have is BFC Beauty for Certain. This only comes in one shade. I saw this on an unboxing. I already know that this is a light shade. This is shade 18. Hopefully it's deeper than what I saw online. By the way, that didn't look red to me in person. This is the shade. I kind of want to swatch it, but I kind of want to do that, say that for first impressions. Maybe I should swatch it. Not very opaque. You have to build it up. But that's the swatch. Yeah, I'm gonna have to mix that. Okay. It would go great with it's brown. Yeah, it would go great with this brown. Okay. Alright, I'm not mad at this. Okay. I'm not mad at this. This is the Beauty for Certain BFC Deluxe Lipstick. It retails for $18. Generate, originate, choose only the finest with BFC long-lasting deluxe lipstick. Delivering that extra matte finish, silky smooth application, and velvety texture you crave. I don't know about that because I'm gonna have to mix it. I don't know if it is mixing well with this. the matte lipstick I already had on. After I put that on, it started to feel really weird, like the bottom is like peeling off, and I just dapped it on. Anyways, let's go into the next product. I feel a squeezy tube, so I already know that this is from Masky. Again, I've seen like a lot of variations. Yep, this is the root feeding hair mask. I literally just washed my hair. That's why it's in here and it's puffy, because I didn't, straighten it yet. I literally just washed my hair. I could have tested this out. This is the root feeding hair mask. Pro vitamin B5, nourish follicles, repair hair, restructures dandruff control, nourish scalp. I needed to nourish my scalp. I needed to repair my hair. So I need to test this out. I will test this out and let you guys know in like a skincare video, because I do my hair care and skincare together. Okay, a shower. This retails for $29. The last item is a big boy. Look at that. Look at that. It's LaRue's, baby. This baby retails for $50, and I get a freaking brush holder. That's what I love. That I get a brush holder, and I get LaRue's brushes. I love LaRue's brushes. I wish I had the foundation brush in this one, because my foundation brush is Seeing Better Days from LaRue's, and I had that for almost 2 years, that foundation brush. So it's held up really well. This is the LR30 angled brush for blush. I want another blush brush. This is the Duo Fiber. Ooh, for cream. I can use this for cream. My cream blushes and my cream highlights. LR316. Oh, yes. Yes, another cream product for my Alley Oop product. Okay, I see you. And then we have these brushes, which is crazy because I already know I'm getting another brush like this. Not the concealer brushes, the eyeshadow brushes. Oh, and then I got another blending brush. I'm happy about getting another blending brush. What I need is another foundation brush. That's what I need. But beggars can't be choosers. And I'm happy that I got this. I'm putting it back in its sleeve. Ooh, just luxury. Luxury is LaRue's. LaRue's products give me luxury. So that's it for this video. That's everything that I got in the box. I basically give this box a 4.5, a 4 out of 5, because I put no hair mask in my profile, so they should never gave it to me. But I'm glad that they gave it to me, but they should never gave it to me. So that's 0.5 of that. And then I like that I have to get a lipstick, but I have to mix it because it's not a good shade for me. I mean, I have to put like my dark brown liner, or I have to do this, or I have to do that, and I rather just have a lipstick like right now. Lipstick, just that, and that's it. Like that's what I like. That's what I like. I'd rather have a pinky, but like a mauve pink, like with purple undertones, so it goes great with my complexion. That's just mauve with like bright pink undertone. Like, no, but that's just a mauve shade. Like, it's just straight up mauve. Like, no undertones, just straight up mauve. Like, it's just that. It's just pink. So I'm gonna have to mix that. But I definitely will let you know in another video. Let me add this up real quick and I'll be back with the total. It's $25 over $125. It's $50. It's $150 is the total of this box. Okay, minus the $30 that I buy. it would be $120. So I saved $120. Okay, how much is that lipstick? Because I would not have bought the lipstick. I would have bought everything else in here, but I would have not bought that lipstick, not in that color. So that would be $132. So still over $125. Still over $125. So I got my money's worth, and I would have saved $120. I saved $102. Saved $102. I'm not mad at it. I am not mad at this. So I'm not mad. This is a good box. I am happy for this. And yeah, video right here, head right here. Go to the description box to get in contact with me. Also, if you haven't subscribed to Boxycharm, I will leave my link down in the description box. Anyways, stay blessed, stay safe, and deuces.